As we have done in the past, let's use what we found about solving equations with radicals to solve inequalities with radicals. In our example, we want to find solutions to the inequality square root of 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5. We saw before that a good first step to solving an inequality is to first solve the corresponding equality. So let's first solve the equality square root of 3x plus 1 equals 5. If you'd like to see the steps of this done out, click the link to the left now. Solving this equality, we get that x equals 8. So on our number line, we mark that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side at x equals 8. But remember, for the square root to be defined, we need what's inside the square root, 3x plus 1, to be bigger than or equal to 0. And we can find that this is defined for x bigger than or equal to negative 1/3 by solving that for x. So here, our number line is broken into 3 regions. For everything less than negative 1/3, our inequality is not even defined. And on each of our other 2 regions, we have that either the square root of 3x plus 1 is bigger than 5 for every value on the region, or the square root of 3x plus 1 is less than 5 for every value on the region. Now we need to check each region to see which are solutions. To check the region x between negative 1/3 and 8, we can pick the number x equals 0. With x equals 0, the left-hand side is the square root of 3 times 0 plus 1, which is the square root of 1, which is just 1. Since this is less than 5, we get that x equals 0 is a solution. And because x equals 0 is a solution, we get that every value of x between negative 1/3 and 8 is a solution as well. For the region x bigger than 8, we can pick the number x equals 10. For x equals 10, the left-hand side is the square root of 3 times 10 plus 1, which is the square root of 31, which is approximately 5.6. This is bigger than 5, so x equals 10 is not a solution. And because x equals 10 is not a solution, every value of x bigger than 8 is not a solution as well. So we can conclude that the solutions to the square root of 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to 5 are all the numbers from negative 1/3 up to 8.